September 12th, 2024, retired American Baptist and campus pastor Rev.Rolston is visiting again. You can say hi for a sec.
Hi for a sec.
And he saw this drawing when it was in its very first stage, when I had done the kind of pencil outline of the drawing of Denise McNair and the doll.
Yep.
Now he sees it not only finished, but framed.
Yeah. I was so taken by it, I failed to notice the frame. I'm sorry.
Don't worry.
Denise and her doll. Dear God, those 4 girls. Yes, Akiva, it's beautiful. It's also a very interesting mix of color, because I am seeing not only the orange of the hideous Trump, I'm also seeing the blood red, not quite dark blood, but still the red of right-wing hatred. And I'm so glad I get to see this up close now. I wasn't sure in the photograph if I was reading Ku Klux Klan, and of course I was.
So yes, it says Trump and, like the and symbol, Ku Klan, race, hate,
and
exclamation, blech.
Yep, I got the blech.
There's also 2 words in the upper left. One says GOP, G period, O period, P period, very upper left.
Oh, I'm looking.
And it also says,
oh, I do.
And it says weird upside down.
And it also says weird.
Yeah.
Yes.
So any feedback you'd like to say about the allegorical sea monsters?
Oh my gosh. It's interesting to me that they now seem to have more than one mouth. Or one has several mouths. Wow. I'm interested in the worm-like appearance of that one up there. And also its rather vicious toothed opening. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm reminded, Akiva, that this looks like a mosaic without being a mosaic.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes. And, oh God, I love this about to swallow the Trump monster there. Yeah. But thank you for the likeness of Denise McNair.
Thank you.
Dear God.
Thank you.
May her last moments before the blast have been happy with her friends in the stairwell of that church.
It really pains me, because those girls were all close in age to me. So very close.
Yes.
She was 11. The others were like 12 and 13.
Yes.
Maybe one of them might have been 14. I was 13 when it happened.
Oh my God.
So I've had all these decades of life, and they were deprived of their lives, their entire teenage and adult lives.
They were.
Just by hate. It doesn't.
Only by
I don't
hatred.
comprehend it.
And a willingness to do anything to act out that hatred.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Akiva. Thank you for making her present.
Thank you.
Of
Thank
course.
you. Okay, I'm going to turn this one off.
Sure.